guys, stop on the bike check. Ow!
Oh my god. Why is there another chair over there?
Hold the bike up.
Alright.
It will stand up otherwise. My bike check. They're fucking wet.
Yeah, the reason we're not riding, reason we're not riding. Yeah. Anyway,
my bike check. So I'll start off in front. I have the ODI long neck grips in teal. Don't ask me why I got them in teal.
You're on a scooter, mate? Did you get them off some kid's scooter?
Yeah, I just want
Yeah, yeah, well, some kid's scooter.
I got federal bars.
Federal.
I don't know what one's
Federal what?
Yeah.
Pretty sure they're tomorrow.
Indeed, actually.
Yeah, they're
I
just
sprayed them.
sprayed them,
They were
bent
white.
them, they're shit, don't buy them.
White.
Show them a demonstration how to bend your bars.
I showed them the end.
Yeah, show you in there.
I have salt stem.
Salt, regular, upside down, flipped.
Upside down, yeah.
Swag.
Swag, yeah. I have We the People forks.
We the people.
I got them off an old bike, so
Yeah.
I snapped them new ones. When I snapped them, they looked like Odyssey, alright.
Yeah, just carry on.
I have a salt.
Headset.
Whatever the fuck it is. That's it, I just have to write these things.
No, it doesn't do it. Done.
Don't fucking chip my finger again. I got stolen front tyre, Kyuga.
You stole it?
20 stolen.
You stole the tyre?
20 times 2.25.
Yeah.
That's size alright. Nice feel. Salt hub to an E-clat rim.
Yeah.
They were red, but it's been black.
Why do you spray black?
Because I prefer black.
Because his bike is good,
Really
not bad. Yeah.
I have salt cranks. They're big shit. They do
Oh my god, they're the best cranks in the world.
the job. They do
Ah!
the
Fuck!
job. You stunned the snail.
Nah, you fucking...
Okay,
No,
you
no, no.
fuck.
Oh, fuck! Sorry. Right, go on.
Yeah, salt cranks. Fuck. I sprayed my frame.
Yeah, you used
Lost
to...
the We the People
Reason.
2012.
Yeah.
I did have it justice, but I swapped it for it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Shadow Conspiracy seat with a salt seat lamp.
Yeah.
It's not pivotal.
Fancy hurrying up because we don't have much room left.
I have a fucking stop chain, salt.
Salt chain.
Fuck that is pocket.
Yeah, salt. Everything, pretty much.
Fit FEF back tyre.
Yeah. Best tyre.
E-clat rim.
Yeah, best.
Salt hub again.
Alright, yeah. Salt what? Salt plus.
Yeah, salt plus.
No, it's not. It's fucking salt, you liar.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
that.
Spin your hub.
Oh, yeah!
Alright.
Yeah, it's on the seat. What have I missed?
Pegs.
Pegs, yeah. On the front, I got a United something. I don't have a fucking clue.
And the other
On
one.
the back, I got an Odyssey.
Alright, so...
And,
what spoke
yeah.
today?
I don't have a fucking clue.
What nipples?
Jody Evans' nibble.
Joe. What PSI do you ride?
Well, I think I'm running 50.
Alright.
50 or 60.
Alright, what do you normally ride?
60.
Alright.
That one feels a bit low. Like.
What bomb bracket?
I don't fucking go. Salt, probably.
So, what inspires you to ride BMX?
Well, it's fun.
Alright. So that concludes Dom's gay episode of this shitty bike. What's he gonna do in the rain? What's he gonna do?
Wet light? Right, dude, we're still gonna ride today. Thanks for watching it.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you in a bit. See you guys.
And that's the shitty... You are?
Do that.
And the reason I'm not riding at the moment is because it's a bit dark in here, isn't it? Well, can you remember I used to do a bike check when we did people's Zodiac, right? Yeah. This is what's left of it at the moment because, yeah. We should be black. In there is a massive crack, but
Phew.
can you see it?
No, it just looks like sealed. It's
Right.
a massive crack.
But there is a crack.
Where
in
the
frame.
black is,
I
it's
mean,
a huge crack.
I've ordered a new frame, but this is my new frame at the moment. So yeah, it's just pretty solid, like.
Yep, pretty much.
So this is my bike check. Pretty good.